I am with Pascal Secretin, the product line manager at Thales. We're talking about their brand new Spy Ranger 550 product. So could you tell me a bit about how it differs from the previous 330 edition?
Okay, on the segment, mini UAS segment, we have two products. The first one is the Spy Ranger 330, which is dedicated to contact intelligence for the benefit of the contact units within a battle group. Okay, this system has been selected by the French Armed Forces. And the second product of the segment is a mini tactical, the Spy Ranger 550, 5 hours, 50 kilometers range, which is very dedicated to, at the brigade level, to carry out intelligence, deep intelligence mission for the benefit of contact units and to carry out a support mission in order to deliver target position and featurization of the target up to for example, fire units in order to neutralize the target at the end.
Fantastic. And this is a slightly larger UAV. I was wondering if you could tell me a bit about the payload capacity and what it offers.
The system is very large because we aim at flying 5 hours, whatever the environment, the climatic condition, from minus something and plus higher temperature, in order to be able to be operated in any combat environment on the battlefield. And as for the payload, you have on this one at the moment a neo-IR, electro-optic infrared payload, plus in option a laser pointer in a near-infrared channel. So behind the payload, which is a Thales one, behind it we have a module to process the video flow. So you have, of course, an electronic stabilization, 3-axis electronic stabilization. You have an automatic motion target detection processing, and behind this automatic motion target detection, we have an automatic tracking of the target. So you will detect in the scene potentially a threat. You decide thanks to the automatic motion target detection, and you decide to track it in order to carry out the positive identification, and after deliver to the command post the coordinates of the target.
Okay, great. That sounds like a fantastic product. I was just wondering if you could tell us anything about interest. Have you heard anything? Who's keen to purchase it?
Is specifically defense market at the moment, and thanks to our product policy strategy that we aim at carrying out in the next years, we will have another kind of payload in order to combine it with AOIR payload during a very intelligence mission.
Okay, fantastic. That's great. Thank you very much.